Hey there, if you're watching this video, then you want to join the Boosteum NFT marketplace and you need to make a Metamask NFT wallet to do so. My name is Eamon Convey. I do social media for Boosteum and I'll help you through the process. Want to go to your favorite web browser, type in metamask.io, go to the website, you can see, click download now. Install Metamask for Chrome. It's going to download a package. You're then going to click the button up top. It will be all set. MetaMask has allowed you into their platform. Now you have to create a wallet. If you have one, already import your seed phrase. If not, click on Get Started. That's the data policy for MetaMask, what they'll do with it. Now you're going to create a password, same as always, make it complex, keep it secure. This is your password to get into your wallet should you get logged out for any reason. Click the terms of use, then click Create. Here's a video from MetaMask that provides some information on the features. And on the right over there, the most important part, you're going to see the secret recovery phrase. Take heed of those warnings. Do not store this 12-word phrase digitally and store it in a safety deposit box if possible. Of course, include it in your afterlife plans. Here is where they're going to tell you the 12 words of which your seed phrase is consistent of. They are in order, so make note of the order, write them down in order, and then MetaMask wants you to confirm them. You guessed it, in order. Once I confirm the secret recovery phrase, MetaMask is going to go ahead and create the wallet. And then from there, we'll be good to go. All done. MetaMask has created our wallet for us. That's excellent to see. We're on the Ethereum mainnet. That is the default network. And you will be able to fund this wallet as soon as you would like. You're ready to buy and sell NFTs on the Boosteum marketplace. We are excited to have you, and we hope that you enjoy your experience on the Boosteum marketplace. The next video will be talking about how to fund your MetaMask wallet.